Watercolour is a wonderfully diverse, fast and portable medium to paint with. In this class, you will learn the basic watercolour techniques, some fun textures, and most importantly, how to combine them all in a painting. Hello, I'm Hannah, the owner and illustrator behind Mermaid's Coin Illustration. My art can be found on greeting cards, jigsaw puzzles, books, magazines, clothing and products across the world, and I make these designs with watercolours. In this class, we'll create an ocean-inspired Seashell Taxonomy using just 3 colours and supplies you'll have at home. You'll learn all the basic watercolour techniques to keep painting with confidence. The textures we create in class can be applied to other projects to add depth to your illustrations and paintings. You will learn wet in wet, layering, incorporating mixed media, how to paint shadows, colour mixing and more. This class is a must-watch for beginners and perfect to get you in the watercolour mindset if you're an acrylic or oil painter. Join me for over an hour of jam-packed tuition featuring step-by-step instruction. I share all of my tips to help you troubleshoot problems and improve your technique. The class is pre-recorded so that you can have ongoing access and can complete it in your own time, but still get teacher feedback and support. Ready to get started? I'll see you in class.